Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to my channel Learning with Funny Activities. This week, new DIY memory game is ready for my 2.5-year little girl. As she is learning shapes, so I thought to present the visual discrimination idea by making shapes flashcards and letting her to match. This is a great way to revise all the shapes at a time and simple and fantabulous way to test her learning skill as well. So now let's watch her how she performs. Okay, so she's doing quite well, and I'm happy that she is working her brain as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more such DIY visual discrimination ideas, go to the link given in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.